Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name's Chantel. This is my basic journey. Oh, it is so cold. It's so cold that my front window is frosted. It's only like 30 degrees right now. But we're leaving today and we're heading into Tucson, Arizona, where it is much warmer than it is here. Even though it's only an hour from where we're at. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but we must be much higher in elevation, because there's like a 10-degree difference every single day. So the high has been like 60 here with a low of like 30, where in Tucson it's like 70, 75 during the day and then 40, 45 overnight. So we're leaving. We're going to head into Tucson and it's going to be much warmer. I'm actually really excited because there's a lot of places that I'm excited to go. Like one of my favorite vegan restaurants there. It's called Love and Spoonfuls. Oh, and I'm just so excited. But first we have to turn the van on, let it warm up. We're already packed up. I packed up last night. But we're going to warm up the van and then get the heck out of here because it is so cold. So let's go to Tucson. You ready to go to Tucson, Joe? It's gonna be much warmer than here. We're all warmed up. Got my windows defrosted. Look at all that ice buildup. Isn't that crazy? What happened, Arizona? All right, let's go to warmer weather. This place is so beautiful though. Oh my gosh, there's a moo-moo. Good morning. Hi, pretty. Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hello. Hello. You are so adorable. You have so many friends over here. Hi, guys. Hi, moo-moos. So beautiful out here. Holy shit. Wow. We were really up in those mountains, weren't we, Joey? No wonder it was so cold. We've been at a downgrade for like miles now. Back on the I-10, only like 15 minutes to go. Alright, first stop is taking a shower.
Shower guests, we agree. Your shower is now ready. Please proceed to shower 5.
Alright, you guys, second stop is groceries.
You have arrived.
Alright, we got our groceries and now we're heading to Love and Spoonfuls to pick up my lunch. We got a vegan Philly cheesesteak and a Caesar salad, and then we have to get water, which is right by the camping area. So we're almost done. Alright guys, all we have to do is get water now and then we can go to our campsite. Water is full, $1.50 for 5 gallons, not a bad deal. You ready to go to our campsite, Joe? So that hill is Snyder Hill, and this is Snyder Hill BLM area. It's right on the outskirts of Tucson, and if you guys have been around long enough, I came here last year with Sarah and Aaron, and it was a lot of fun. Oops, and I think this is my entrance. Hold on, everybody. Whoa. Oh, yeah, this is it. Yay. And we're gonna go through this way. Ooh, yeah. Alright, where do we want to camp this time? Hi, baby. Hold on, Joe. I'm just like driving around like a crazy person, trying to find the perfect spot. There's nobody over here though, so I kind of like that. All right, we have chosen a spot. This one does not have a fire pit, but that's okay. Got my towel hanging, just drying. Isn't this pretty? And this is right outside Tucson. Those are my closest neighbors there. I have some more people there. But I have a nice little secluded tree spot over here. So I'll be in the shade during the hottest hours. All right, now let's eat. Here we have the Caesar salad, which I forgot to ask for the dressing on the side, so it's pretty wilted, but that's okay. And then over here we have the delicious Philly cheesesteak, all vegan, all delicious. And this is from Love and Spoonfuls. I'm a little sad about the salad just because it's pretty wilted, but it still tastes good. I wanted to try it because vegan Caesar dressing is not only hard to do, but most of the time it's really gross. But theirs is really good, and I just wish that I would have asked for it on the side because all the lettuce is pretty soggy. But I would say that this is the best Philly that I've ever had, but that would be a lie. There's a place in Eugene, Oregon called Viva Vegetarian, and they have by far the best vegan Philly cheesesteak that I've ever had. And I think it's because they have like a bunch of cashew cream sauce on top, which is always so good. So, but this one is definitely in second place. It is so good. So we got camp all set up, and now I'm just gonna take Joey on a little walk just around camp area. Let me know in the comments if you guys recognize this place from last year with Sarah and Aaron. I miss you guys. We camped over there, kind of where that camper is at, if you can see that. The sun's kind of in the way, but that's where we were at last time, and now I'm hidden behind this little tree over here. First day back in Tucson, and I get this beautiful sunset. So beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Oh, it is so early, but the little guy has to go outside to go potty, so that sunrise is happening. Well, good morning, everybody. I was so enamored by that sunrise that I didn't even show you making my coffee. This vlog does not have a coffee montage in it, which I think almost every single vlog that I've ever posted has one. So, I'm sorry about that, guys. But thumbs up for that sunrise. That was awesome. I'm usually not awake in time to see it, so usually I'm like in my bed and like peeping out the windows like, oh, the sun is rising, but I'm not like fully awake enough to like go outside. But I fell asleep so early last night, so I was up super early. And we actually got to watch it, like the whole entire thing, and it was so beautiful. Ugh. It just feels so good to be back in Tucson. I am not much of one who likes to stay in cities, but Tucson has 2 different BLM areas right outside of town. It's absolutely perfect. You're really close to like everything civilization. And I love that it's not that busy right now. Last time I was here with Sarah and Aaron, it was so busy, but this time it's like people are more spread out and it's just awesome. I love Tucson so much. It's probably my favorite city in the United States that I've been to so far. I've been to some of the major cities. I lived in Illinois my entire life, so we went to Chicago all the time. And Chicago is a beautiful city. It's huge though. It's ginormous and parts of it aren't very safe, but Tucson just feels a lot safer and it feels almost like a bigger town, not a city. And it is obviously much smaller than the major cities, even Phoenix, but it just feels like a smaller, big town, if that makes sense at all, but it doesn't feel like a big city. I think I mentioned this earlier too, that every single winter that I've been through Arizona, I have stopped in Tucson. And the first time that I came here, I did not know about these BLM camping areas. I did not know about them. Like, I did look on Overlander for places to stay, but if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, that was so long ago, but that was when I had to do a transmission solenoid repair when I was here, and also new suspension, and so I was forking out almost $2,000, and so I was not that happy the first time I came here, and it just kept getting worse. I did go to the Gilbert Ray campground, which is in the Tucson Mountain Park, which is actually really close to here, but after that I went and got the repairs done, and then I was trying to find a free place to stay, and so I went to the casino, and this was during the pandemic, and so the casino actually told me they're not allowing overnight parking because the city of Tucson was on like a curfew at the time, and so they didn't allow 24-hour parking because they weren't open 24 hours at the time. I have come to find out that that casino no longer allows overnight parking at all anyways, but it was late at night, it was dark out, and I drove like 45 minutes to a rest area in the opposite direction of where I was trying to go because I couldn't find somewhere to stay, and I didn't want to stay like on a random street in Tucson because I didn't know like how cool it was here yet, you know, and I didn't know about this spot that I'm in now. So that first time that I was here was kind of weird, but the second time that I came here last year with Sarah and Aaron, it was amazing, and I fell in love with Tucson again. So yeah, now we're here again and I love it, and we're gonna be here probably for like 2 weeks just hanging out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big ol' thumbs up for me, and if you're new here, definitely subscribe below. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you're interested in checking that out and helping support my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!